Hey, it's Kate with WTI. And one of my favorite tools when it comes to recovery is a good foam roller.
I really love this foam roller by Gimme 10. I think that it's the perfect size to target a lot of large muscle areas. And I appreciate how deep these ridges are, but there also is a good variation in size there. So you're able to really customize depending on what you need. It's such a great tool to really target large muscles that can be difficult to massage. It really helps to alleviate soreness, get them stretchy and moving so that you're able to move and feel your best. I really love having this foam roller as a great tool to aid whether it's getting ready for a workout or recovering from one. I think that it's really the perfect companion.
You can accomplish so much, I think, with this foam roller. It is a really fantastic tool for sore muscles, for post workout. I think you'll find it really useful too, but that's just my point of view.